start off by taking the sun visors and the rearview mirror there. Looks like 2 Phillips heads on each one. Alright, so I'm gonna take all that headliner, all this stuff in the rear, vacuum all that out. Wear a mask. You don't want to be breathing all that stuff in, man. I don't know if you guys can see all these. I don't know what these are. It's like little nests, maybe a wasp nest or some sort of bug. I got this car from Florida, so I'm not sure what these are. There's a bunch of them, little nests, kind of cool. I might need to take a few screws out back there, but I think I should be able to pull it out. Just pull this off. This comes off. You just pull it up. Then it'll have 2 Phillips heads. That one looks like it's stripped. Jeez. Oh no, I got all this stuff off of the Notchback so far. Is a Phillips head, screwdriver, a knife, a spatula, and a 10mm. So you could get this far with, oh, and a broom. You can get this far with those tools. Looks like we got a few buttons with the big Phillips head. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
There's 2 more on the other side. I'm gonna get all that off.
So on this one, this top screw is stripped. So I'm just gonna drill it out and then twist it out with some channel locks. All right, that broke on its own. Get in there and rip all that rest of that stuff off. Alright, I'm just gonna clean up all this mess and then we'll get in there. I'm gonna start doing the back here. Just clean all that up.
Got 2 screws on the side. Got 2 tabs here. Gotta push those in.
A lot of rust back there. I can wiggle that. Still pretty bad. I mean, it's as bad as I expected, but not terrible. The original color is this red. Maybe I'll go with that red. All right, so looks like I just have to clean and put all this stuff away. So I'm gonna do that off camera and come back. I want to take the dash out, but I'll probably look at the manual before I try to take all this stuff off. I don't want to break anything. I'll take all the headlights, the bumpers, all the lights, so I can get all the fenders off. That nest thing. I don't know what kind of bug that is. I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Might as well, so I can clean it. I'm gonna do the other side. It looks like all of these are rusted out, man. Might just have to take the whole thing out. I don't know why they cut them. Guess we'll find out. Might have to drill that one out. There's a screw there. Gotta take that out. Looks like they did some janky splicing up here. I'll cut it. Look at the proper ones eventually. These rear lights off. Looks like there should be 2 Phillips, but I only have 1. Looks like there should be 2 Phillips in here, but I only have 1. Right, got the lights off. I think I'm gonna try to take this off. There's 2 13mm on each side. So I'm gonna take those off, get this off. So we got a wire there. Maybe I'll cut it and then splice a connector in later. I found this thing up front. I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, let me know. This should come off the same with the 13mm. I think that's it for this week. Next week I'll probably take all the panels off. I kind of want to see all the rust underneath those and on these as well. I want to take all these off and then maybe try to take the dash off up there. Anyways, see y'all next week.